Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. இறைவனின் சாந்தியும் சமாதானமும் உண்டாவதாக. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss about isomerism in coordination compound. Isomerism in coordination compound. What is meant by isomerism? You have studied a number of terms like this isomerism. Isotope, elements having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Isomerism. This word is also used in organic chemistry where organic compounds exhibit the properties of isomerism. Isomerism in organic compounds, compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. Coordination compound also exhibit isomerism. So in coordination compound, isomerism is the phenomenon in which more than one coordination compounds having the same molecular formula and have different physical and chemical properties due to different arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. Isomerism is the phenomenon in which more than one coordination compound having the same molecular formula and have different physical and chemical properties due to different arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. In coordination compound, we have two types of isomers. Isomerism, one is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. In this video, we are going to discuss about structural isomerism. What is meant by structural isomerism? Like the definition of isomer, here also we are going to define the structural isomers. Structural isomers. Isomers indicate the compounds, more than one chemical compound. By having only one compound, we cannot say the word isomers, but more than one chemical compound, we can use this word structural isomers. The coordination compound with the same molecular formula, but have different connection. In coordination compound, the connection is between central metal ion and the ligand. So the connections among their constituent atoms. constituent atoms are called structural isomers. Are called structural isomers. Main heading, we have two isomers in coordination compound. One is structural isomers, another one is stereoisomers. Structural isomers, compounds having same formula but different connection among their constituent atoms are called structural isomers. Structural isomers are called constitutional isomer. Constitutional isomers, also called constitutional isomers. There are two heading for one definition. Therefore, any one questions, any one heading, the questions may asked. Under structural isomers, we have four types of isomers. These isomers arises due to structural arrangement of ligands. Structural arrangement of ligand. What are the isomers? Structural isomers. One is linkage isomers. One is linkage isomers. Linkage isomers. Under structural isomer, we have four isomer. One is linkage isomer. Another, second one is coordination isomer. There is one point in each heading. Coordination isomers. Coordination isomers. Linkage isomers. Another one is coordination isomers. And third one is ionization isomers. Only counter ion undergo ionization. Ionization isomers. These are under structural isomers. Ionization isomers. And last isomer is solvate isomer. Solvate isomer. This solvate isomer is also called solvate isomers is also called which isomer? Hydrate isomer. Solvate isomer is also called hydrate isomer. And now we are going to individually see what is linkage, coordination, ionization and solvate. Let's see. First structural isomer is linkage isomer. This type of linkage isomer arises when an ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. What is ambidentate ligand? Ligand having same formula but differ in donor atom. Ligands have same formula but differ in the donor atom. So, this type of isomers arises when an ambidentate ligand is bonded to the central metal atom. Central metal atom. Mostly the metal atom present in metal carbonyl. In metal carbonyl, the oxidation state of metal is 0. Or ion through ambidentate ligand, different donor atom through either of its two donor atoms. Two donor atoms. You know the examples of ambidentate ligands are Cn minus Nc minus. Cyanido kappa C, cyanido kappa N. First ligand, both the ligand name is cyanido. There is no change. Cyanido. This is your kappa C. Second ligand name is same cyanido. Cyanido. Kappa N. Kappa C indicate in Cn carbon is the donor atom, in Nc nitrogen is the donor atom. Like that. In NO2 minus and ONO minus. NO2 minus and ONO minus. Both the ligands are nitrito. Both the ligands are nitrito. Both are nitrito. This is your kappa N. Second ligand is also nitrito kappa O. Kappa N, kappa O. So, you know the difference now. In first ligand, the donor atom is nitrogen. Second O is the donor atom. So, the compounds in which ambidentate ligand, the ambidentate ligand differ in the donor atom. Carbon donate a pair of electron to the central metal ion. Here nitrogen donate a pair of electron to the central metal ion. For this, we are going to write one example for this complex compound with the coordination number 6. Cobalt 3 plus ion. Cobalt 3 plus ion. Coordination number 6. Cobalt 3 plus ion. NH3. How many times? 5 times. NO2. NO2. Amine is a neutral ligand. Charge equal to 0. 5 into 0 equal to 0. NO2 minus 1. When we add these two, we will get 2 plus on the complex. 2 plus on the complex. And with the same molecular formula, the corresponding isomeric compound we can also write, that is CO, it is a 3 plus ion. Amine NH3, how many times? 5 times. Instead of NO2, with the same molecular formula, ambidentate ligand ONO. Amine is a neutral ligand, charge equal to 0, ONO minus 1. So, charge on the complex is 2 plus. After writing the IUPAC name of this compound, then we have to draw the structure which indicate the different donor atom. First one is pentaamine. 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 NO2. Nitrito. Nitrito. Kappa N. N is the donor atom. Central metal ion. Cobalt. Oxidation state 3. Cobalt 3 ion. Cobalt 3 ion. Second compound, there is only one change in the IUPAC name, that is Amine. Pentamine. ONO. Nitrito. What is the donor atom? Kappa O. Central metal cobalt. Oxidation state 3. Oxidation state 3. Ion. Ion. Now we are going to draw the structure of this compound which indicate the different linkage atom. Which indicate the different linkage atom. Now the central metal ion in the first complex is cobalt. Cobalt. Coordination number 6 indicate it is an octahedral complexes. Octahedral complexes in corners of the square 4 ligands are present. Above the plane one ligand, below the plane another ligand. Where the bonds are present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many amine we have? 5 amine. 1 NH3, amine NH3, 1 NH3, second amine NH3, third amine NH3, then fourth amine, nitrogen is the donor atom, therefore NH3, N is near to the bond NH3, and the sixth bond is occupied by NO2, here nitrogen is the donor atom. Therefore, that ambidentate ligand is indicated by N double bond O, nitrogen is the donor atom, oxygen. This is one complex. The charge on this complex is 2 plus. Charge on this complex is 2 plus. Charge on this complex is 2 plus. And the central metal ion in the second compound is cobalt, same 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus. Coordination number 6 means it is octahedral complexes. Coordination number 6 means it is octahedral complexes. Where the bonds are present we know. In octahedral complexes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 5 amine. You know the position of amine NH3, 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 amine NH3, NH3. These are all amine. And NO2 which differ from the donor atom, ONO. Oxygen is the donor atom. O, N double bond O. That is nitrito kappa O. Charge on the complex is 2 plus. Charge on the complex is 2 plus. This is about which isomerism? Linkage isomerism. Then the next isomerism under structural isomers is which isomerism? Coordination isomers. Coordination isomers. Coordination isomers. Compounds having same molecular formula but a different arrangement of ligand to the central metal atom. Nature of arrangement to the central metal ion arises structural isomerism. Linkage isomerism arises the coordination compound containing ambidentate ligand. Coordination isomers arises, coordination isomer arises where the compounds having both complex cation and complex anion. Complex cation and complex anion. Complex cation and complex anion. Also called bimetallic complexes. Bimetallic complexes. In these bimetallic complexes, the coordination isomer arises. What is meant by coordination isomer? How it arises? It arises due to interchange of one or more ligands, negative or neutral, between the cationic and anionic entities, between the cationic and anionic entities, result in different isomers. So, coordination isomer arises only in complex cation and complex anion, also called bimetallic complexes. In coordination isomer, interchange of one or more ligands between cationic and anionic entities arises in coordination isomers. For example, we know coordination isomer arises only in the bimetallic complexes in which both the cation and anion are complex ion. Cobalt central metal ion 3+ and one cationic complex, one anionic complex. Another coordination number 6 cation is chromium 3+ ion. Remember, if you want to get a cationic complex, the ligand must be neutral ligand or more number of neutral ligand you have to use. Cobalt 3+ coordination number 6. Now, all the ligands in this complex is neutral ligand NH3. Neutral ligand charge equal to 0. 1 NH3 0, 6 and 0 equal to 0. Therefore, 3+ on this complex. Chromium is a 3+ ion, coordination number also 6. To get a negative charge on this complex, all the negative ligands are present. 1 Cn 1-, 6 Cn 6-. When you add these two, you will get -3 on the complex. This is one compound. Corresponding compound we have to write it with the same molecular formula. Here Cr3+, NH3 6 times. Complex cation is over, come to complex anion. Cobalt 3+, Cn 6 times. This is an example of coordination isomer. So, coordination isomer arises the interchange of ligand between the cationic and anionic complexes. In the first complex, amine is attached to cobalt, cyanido kappa C is attached to chromium. But in the second complex, amine is attached to chromium, cyanido kappa C attached to cobalt. Compounds having same molecular formula, but interchange of one or more ligand between the cationic and anionic complex is differ. And one more example, with these are all homoleptic, heteroleptic, with heteroleptic. What is the IUPAC name of the first complex? I am telling the IUPAC name. Hexaamine cobalt 3 hexacyanido kappa C chromate 3. Hexaamine cobalt 3 hexacyanidochromate 3, hexaamine chromium 3, hexacyanidocapacitocobaltate 3, hexaamine chromium 3, hexacyanidocapacitocobaltate 3, cobaltate 3. Come to the second example. Central metal ion is chromium 3 plus coordination number 6. To get positive complex, we have to use more number of neutral ligand, or all the 6 ligands are neutral ligand, 1Cn. What is the charge on the complex? Amine is a neutral ligand, charge 0, cyanido minus 1, therefore charge on the cationic complex is 2 plus. Nearby, write the anionic complex. Central metal ion, we have to change cobalt 3 plus. Instead of neutral ligand, now here we have to write negative ligand, Cn 5 times. To get the complex, anionic complex, we have to use all the ligands are negative ligand, or more number of negative ligands are used. 1Cn 1 minus, 5Cn 5 minus, amine 0. When we add these two, we will get 2 minus. For this compound, the corresponding coordination isomers, we have to interchange the ligand. Instead of interchanging, only change the central metal ion, cobalt 3 plus, how many amine? NH3 5 times Cn, and chromium 3 plus Cn 5 times NH3. Common saving same molecular formula, but the interchange of ligands between the complex is different. IUPAC name pentaamine cyanidocapacitochromium 3, amine pentacyanidocapacitocobaltate 3, pentaamine cyanidocapacitocobalt 3, amine pentacyanidocapacitochromate 3. With the coordination number 4, one more example. With the coordination number 4, one more example. Platinum is a 2 plus ion. To get neutral complex, cationic complex, all the ligands used should be which ligand? Neutral ligand. Then along with palladium 2 plus ion. To get anionic complex, all the ligands used are Cl minus. Charge on the complex, cationic complex, anionic complex, aqua 0, 4 into 0 equal to 0, 2 plus. 1 chlorine 1 minus, 4 chlorine 4 minus, therefore charge on the complex is 2 minus. Now, corresponding isomers of this compound, palladium, Pd, palladium, NH3, how many times? 4 times, NH3 4 times. Then change the central metal ion, platinum, Cl 4 times. Compound saving same molecular formula, but the compound must be cationic and anionic. Both the complex cation and the complex anion are present. Coordination isomer. Tetra aqua platinum 2, tetra chlorido palladiate 2, tetra amine palladium 2, tetra chlorido platinate 2. This is an example of coordination isomer. Compound saving same molecular formula, but the interchange of one or more ligand between the complex cation and anion is different. So, this is only two isomers. In another two structural isomers we will discuss in the incoming video. Part 2. This is part 1. In part 2 video, we will discuss the ionization isomers and solvate isomers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make a like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.